Every tennis cricket ball begins with nature's first ingredient.
Fresh latex starts the journey toward a durable tennis cricket ball.
A constant flow of materials keeps the factory running.
Careful handling preserves the quality of every bat.
Purity is essential for consistent rubber performance.
Advanced systems maintain strict material standards.
The factory protects raw materials at every stage.
Specialized ingredients prepare the rubber for performance.
Every component is tracked before production begins. Selected fibers help shape the ball's internal structure. Consistency at the beginning ensures consistency at the finish.
The recognizable surface begins as carefully selected felt.
Controlled storage protects material quality before manufacturing.
The familiar surface starts with careful preparation. Every surface must meet exact specifications.
Specialized materials travel on dedicated routes.
Vertical transport connects every production department. Surface materials move toward their future transformation.
Accurate inventory keeps manufacturing synchronized.
The factory floor awakens as materials arrive for production.
Precision handling prevents waste and ensures consistency.
Before production begins, every material must be purified. Clean fibers help create a reliable internal structure. Everything is now prepared for the production floor.
Technology helps detect imperfections invisible to the eye.
Every ingredient must be verified before use.
Prepared materials now move toward manufacturing.
Controlled storage ensures a continuous production flow.
Here, individual ingredients unite into a single engineered material. Here, individual ingredients unite into a single engineered material. Precise mixing determines the future performance of every ball.
The mixed compound is ready for shaping.
Rolling creates the consistency required for precision manufacturing.
Accuracy at this stage affects every ball produced.
Uniform blanks create the foundation of reliable products. The transformation from core to finished ball begins here. Curing strengthens the connection between materials. Precision measurement confirms production accuracy. Every detail contributes to product consistency. Identity and traceability are added before final finishing. Now automation takes over to refine every ball with precision.
Automation enhances consistency across every production batch.
Advanced vision systems detect even the smallest imperfections.
Digital analysis strengthens quality control at scale.
Large-scale production depends on perfect coordination.
Every ball is tracked through a fully connected system. Every gram matters in performance manufacturing.
Dimensional precision ensures consistency on the field.
Brand identity is checked with uncompromising precision.
Data drives every decision inside the factory.
Traceability follows every product throughout its life cycle.
Technology confirms what craftsmanship has achieved. With automation complete, the final details now take shape.
Every texture is measured for consistency and quality.
Precision positioning ensures perfect presentation.
Every mark represents the factory's commitment to quality.
Careful curing protects the clarity of every printed detail.
Appearance alone is never enough. Performance must follow.
Before approval, every batch faces one final examination. Quality assurance stands between manufacturing and shipment. Now every tennis cricket ball must prove its performance.
Every tennis cricket ball must meet strict performance standards. Consistent bounce is essential for reliable play. Precision measurement confirms manufacturing accuracy.
Every millimeter matters in performance manufacturing.
Strength and resilience are tested under controlled conditions.
Durability is proven through repeated stress.
Performance must remain reliable in changing conditions.
Data confirms that quality standards have been achieved.
Only approved products continue toward shipment. One final review ensures complete confidence.
Every batch leaves a complete quality record.
Traceability remains connected to every shipment. Automated logistics connect every stage of production. The journey continues through increasingly refined processes. Secure packaging protects every shipment. Protection continues beyond the production floor.
Every pallet remains visible within the logistics network.
The final journey begins as orders are prepared.
From factory floor to marketplace, logistics takes over.
Now travel toward players and retailers.
And this is how modern factories produce tennis cricket balls from start to finish.
Innovation, precision, and teamwork bring every tennis cricket ball to life.